Hello there and welcome back to the DBMS video series. In this video we are going to discuss the question set 27. So all of these questions are interconnected till the question set 30. So the first question is, what is the number of students studying in class 11A? So to do that we are going to use simple SQL keyword which is called the count keyword. So let me paste in a query which I have already written. So we are going to count the number of index numbers from the student table, and we are going to join the class table with the student table, and we are going to search for 11A. So all 11A students count should be shown below. So let's run the query and we can see that 8 students are there in class 11A. Now let's go to the next question. Find the number of students who scored between 40 to 90 marks in all subjects in the first term examination. So we have to get the number of data records. So that is also we are going to use the count keyword. And mainly we are going to use the distinct keyword so that we can avoid data duplication. So we are going to use distinct for the student index number. So in case the student index number appears twice or thrice, then it will make it to one keyword, one reference. So our reference table is going to be the student exam mark record table, and we are going to inner join the exam term so that we can search using our own keywords like the first term or second term. And then we are going to search the term name with first term and the marks between 40 and 90. So let's run the keyword, and then also we can see that 8 students are there who are having the marks between 40 and 90. Let's go to the next question. What is the number of students appearing in the subject of science? Oh, in the second term examination out of the students studying in all classes in grade 11. So let's see how many numbers of students are studying how many students have appeared for the science examination. So all students are 8 and the science students are also 8. That means all 8 students have appeared to the science examination. So let's have breakdown of our SQL query. We are going to select the count number of student index number as science students. So that is this result. Next we are going to count index number of all students, and that is this column. From the student exam mark record as reference, and we have used the left join student. So when we use the left join, we are joining the student table with the student exam mark record, and only students who have appeared in the student exam mark record will be shown in the student table when joining. And we have also joined the subject and the exam term as well, since we are searching with the search second term keyword and the science keyword. Let's go to the next question, shall we? So the fourth question, find the following details of 11A class students who scored more than 60 marks in mathematics in the second term examination. So we have to get the admission number, first name, last name, mark, and the date of examination. So let's write in a simple query to get these details. So I'm going to select the index number, first name, last name, mark, and the exam date from the student exam mark record table, our reference table. Then I'm going to join the student and the class, subject, exam term tables together with the student exam mark record table, and then I'm going to search for the class 11A with the subject mathematics and the term name as second term and the marks which are above 60. And then we can see that we have 2 entries for this query. So these 2 students have scored more than 60 marks in the mathematics subject. Let's go to the next question. Find the number of students in class 11A who scored more than 60 marks in the science subject in the second term exam. So let's go to the head SQL and let's use our special SQL query. So we are going to count the number of student index numbers from the student exam mark record, and we are going to join the student, subject, and exam term onto our student exam mark record table. Next we are going to search for the class name 11A with the subject name science and the term second term whose marks are above 60. So let's run this query and we can say that only 3 students have got above 60 marks. Alright, so that's all for today. So thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video.